This wind is unbelievable. For those who don't know what's going on, there's a massive low in, I think it's southeastern Nebraska now, maybe northern Kansas. And we're on the eastern side of that low, and that thing is bringing up all kinds of crazy south and southeastern winds right now. We've probably had, I'd say 3 or 4 gusts of at least 50 to 55. And what this wind is doing is feeding into the storms we're supposed to get in a couple hours. So I'll stand here and video this for a few minutes here. Maybe I'll be wrong, but I have a feeling we're going to get a lot of this spring, because if you guys remember, we had that sub-zero temperatures less than a month ago, like 3.5 weeks ago, in February, and we basically went from winter to spring in about 2 weeks. We had that snow, if you guys remember the video I posted last Wednesday. It was, got down into the 20s that night. Well, today, with those south winds, bringing up all that moisture and stuff like that, they got up to near 85 here today. I think the official high was like 82, 83. So it's crazy how the weather can change in 1 week, honestly. That's a good indication of the winds. Alright everybody, I'm going to let you know on this one when we start getting storms, or say if the sirens start going off because we have a tornado threat tonight. If any of that starts happening, I will get it on film. And yes, that was a bug. I did blow off my arm. First bug I've seen this year so far, so that's for warming up for sure, definitely. Alright, yep, like I said, I will get any of that on camera for you. Take care and consider subscribing.